Hi, my name is Austin Hepworth. I am an attorney here in Utah, and I represent AV Law Depot. AV Law Depot is a company that provides deposition services, and they do so utilizing the most latest technology. The courts recently have been trying to embrace the technological age. They've moved to digital recording themselves in court. The record in court is now audio recordings. And AV Law Depot is helping take the practice of depositions to the same stage. They do so by recording depositions with a video, with an audio record, as well as providing a transcript after the services are performed. This is specifically envisioned in the Utah Rules of Civil Procedure. Utah Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 28, specifically provide that the deposition shall be taken before an officer authorized to administer oaths. And in Utah, notaries are authorized to administer oaths. And so AV Law Depot provides a notary as an officer at the deposition.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
This officer then has the technology in a little box, basically, that enables them to record the deposition, make a video recording and audio recording. And this is burned at the same time to a disc that is given to the attorneys as soon as the deposition concludes. This allows for both sides to have a copy of the record. The record here is the DVD, it is the video that is created, and it provides an opportunity for all sides to see it, and there's no question as to what took place at the deposition, no question as to what was said. It's all recorded and captured. Utah Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 30, require that an attorney designate the recording method that is to be used. So in the notice that's sent out for the depositions, it should be noted that it will be recorded by video means. And that gives both sides notice that there will be a video record there. Any attorney that objects can hire a court reporter or hire anyone else they would like to be there to record it in another method as well. But that cost would be on them if they did so. For use in court proceedings, Utah Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 32, provide that if the video is to be used in a court proceeding, that a transcript be provided with it. That's Rule 32E. AV Law Depot accomplishes that by sending a transcript that will come a few weeks after the video is completed, so that that transcript can be provided with the video or audio as it is used in court. One of the big benefits of the video is to capture all of the things that a transcript doesn't. Simply put, there are many facial expressions, there are many gestures or pauses, uncertainties, red faces, different things that arise that are not captured by the transcript. And the video allows for a jury or a judge to see what was truly said and to get all of the communication, the tones, and to fully understand that. One of the biggest benefits in my mind of having the video is for use in a 30B6 deposition. This is when we take the deposition of a corporation or an entity. And under the Utah Rules of Civil Procedure, 32A2, a deposition under Rule 30B6 of a corporate officer or corporate agent appointed for the corporation is authorized for use at trial for any purpose. It's not limited to impeachment only. And so the adverse party can bring in the video and show exactly what was said the first time around when the corporation testified. And the corporation will typically be held to that testimony. If the corporate officer didn't know an answer at that time, the corporation will typically be deemed to not know that answer. Having the video to show that officer testifying is very powerful for the adverse party, for the other side, when they want to bring it in to show for any purpose, basically. And it's allowed under, again, Rule 32A2. There may be attorneys who are concerned about the use of videos at depositions or audio equipment, and they may raise objections or file motions or do different things because it's a new area of law. It's new to the practice of law, you could say. Even though the technology has existed for a long time, depositions have largely remained with the court reporters in the stenographic age. And there actually have been cases where the deposition's been challenged or the video recording's challenged. And the judges that have ruled on the matter have had no issues with it. They've been admitted. Utah State has also embraced this video technology. They've adopted it in their courts. And so in a Utah State court, it's hard to argue to a judge that a video deposition is bad when his own hearing is being recorded by audio means. One question that always arises is, what is the cost? Typically, one reason video hasn't been used a lot in depositions is because in addition to hiring a court reporter, you have to hire a videographer. And it significantly increases the cost to hire both. But with the way the AV Law Depot conducts business and is able to provide services, it's all provided through one person, and thus the cost is actually for all three services, the video, the audio, and the transcript. It's cheaper than that of a typical court reporter. So there's cost savings to all sides, and there's efficiency, there's a more reliable record, one that picks up more than just a transcript alone. Plus it provides everything necessary to comply with the Utah rules of civil procedure, including the transcript, which is used in conjunction with the record, which is the video.